curiosity has driven us to explore beyond our world. Just 50 years ago, Apollo 11 became the first manned mission to land on the moon. And now, we are coming back, but with a better toilet. With the Artemis program, NASA will land the first woman and next man on the moon by 2024. But of course, such a great mission requires such a great technology. How will our astronauts urinate and defecate in microgravity and lunar gravity? Introducing Wombat, a 3D printed toilet carefully designed for NASA's lunar lander. We want to make the action of using the toilet easier, more comfortable, and as close to Earth's experience as possible. Our device represents an alternative to the current method. Wombat's functionality is based on the principle of remote forces generated by an electric field. Human waste has a specific electrical charge, which we use to our advantage to control its movement. By generating an electric field controlled by a pair of coaxial rings, one positively charged and one negatively charged, waste can be drawn to a desired point in a primary container. The loads are uniformly transported by the Wimshurst generator, which is a high voltage and low amperage electrostatic generator, capable of producing static electricity through charge separation. Once it is finished using, the gate is closed and the second phase of the process begins, where the suction is in charge of transporting feces, urine, and menstrual blood to secondary containers where they can be stored for its recycle and future usage. This method allows urine and menstrual blood to be processed through filters such as nanofiltration membranes. In this way, the astronaut's body is never exposed to suction. This innovative design is centered in ergonomics. Its active area is the minimum necessary to correctly adjust to the anthropometric measurements of both women and men. For women, it will not be an impediment to reach the moon even during their period. This space toilet, unlike the ones currently used, offers an option to women who decide to menstruate during the mission, and they will be able to choose between using pads or tampons, since either option is compatible with Wombat. Additionally, we proposed a module design with containers for hygienic products, including the female ones. Since it contains a tray that separates the waste, it permits both users to perform their needs comfortably in the same seat. Its footrest and handles allow a correct grip for a more comfortable position, avoiding undesired movement or waste leakage out of the container. The shape of the object makes it easy to clean. The entire device is sterilizable because it is printed with nylon PA12, which is exceptionally strong even when temperatures dip below freezing. It is characterized by high strength, stiffness, and an excellent long-term constant behavior. It absorbs very little moisture, has an excellent resistance to chemicals, and is highly processable. There is a container specifically for vomiting, which is located at a suitable height, avoiding the astronaut's face coming into contact with the toilet. So it is possible to urinate or defecate while vomiting if the user requires so. All these characteristics fulfill the context constraints of volume, energy consumption, and weight. We propose 3D print because it allows us to carry out the process in much less time than traditional manufacturing processes, with notable reduction in energy consumption and emissions to the environment, making it a sustainable option and ideal for space missions. Using the toilet in space has never been so easy. Now it will be like on Earth.